Hi, Bob.
Hi, Jesse.
You look tired today.
Yes, a little tired.
True.
Classes were heavy today.
So many lectures. I almost fell asleep in the afternoon.
Day was fine,
Yes,
but something small happened.
very long.
Nothing big.
But anyway, how was your day?
Day was fine.
What happened?
Just in English class, the teacher asked me a question.
You look serious.
I tried to answer in English,
Okay.
but my sentences were wrong.
And then?
My grammar was broken.
Oh no, that's rude.
Some students laughed.
They should not laugh.
Yes, but they laughed
I understand.
and I lost confidence.
That happens,
How can I not?
but you shouldn't feel small.
When people laugh, it hurts.
True,
Maybe, but I feel scared now.
but remember, they also make mistakes.
Scared to speak in English again.
They only hide it better.
If I try,
Scared of what?
maybe they laugh again?
Bob,
Easy for you to say.
listen.
You speak English better than me.
If you stop speaking, your English will never improve.
Really? Oh, yes, I remember. You laughed at yourself too.
Mistakes are part of learning.
You're right.
Without mistakes,
But at that moment, I just wanted to run away.
no one grows.
Really?
No. My English is not perfect. I also make mistakes.
You're brave.
Yes.
But how?
Do you remember last week I said,
My grammar is weak. My words are few.
I am study this book,
Together.
instead of I am studying this book?
But I will make many mistakes.
Everyone laughed.
Ready,
Even the teacher smiled.
but a bit nervous.
Exactly.
Lunch?
I laughed,
I ate rice,
then I learned.
dal and bread.
Now I don't make the same mistake.
Okay.
See, Bob?
See,
Laughing is not the problem.
this was easy.
The problem is fear.
But in class, the teacher asks hard questions.
If you laugh and keep learning, you win.
Okay.
I know the feeling.
Favorite place?
I had it many times.
There is a small river near my town.
Yes, in school, when I spoke English, my classmates laughed.
I like it very much
I cried that day.
because it is peaceful.
But slowly I practiced.
I sit
Now,
near the river
I don't cry.
and draw pictures.
And you can be brave too.
Oh,
That is fine. We can practice together.
that fits you.
Yes, you and me, every day, 15 minutes of only English talk.
You love books.
That's fine. I will make mistakes too.
This is not so hard.
We will laugh, but in a good way.
No,
Friendly laugh, not hurtful.
my grammar is wrong.
Next day. Hi, Bob. Ready for practice today? No need to be nervous. Just think it's normal talk. Only difference is we use English.
Okay.
Good.
Word game.
Let's start simple.
Oh,
Tell me.
that is hard.
Don't thank me. We're friends. Friends always help.
True. Now let's go before it gets dark.
And I feel lucky too. We're helping each other. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.